In today's video, I'm going to show you a stunning beauty lighting setup using gels and scrims, and we're going to solve a common problem that we do find with gels as well. So I have Hannah back with us today, and we have a 3-light setup for you. So our first light is our 90cm Octobox, which is going to be at a 45-degree angle to Hannah. So we're going to get a bit of a Rembrandt lighting look, which I'm just going to take a couple of pictures of for you. And as you can see, we get a shadow just down the side of Hannah's face here, which we are going to now be filling with this blue gel. We just added our blue gel on, and what this blue gel is going to do is fill in that shadow which the Octobox has left for us. Now, we don't want to remove the shadow, we just want to soften it. But what you will find is you're going to find a common problem with gels at this angle. So can you see that the gel perfectly illuminates the shadow, but the gel wraps around and gives us these really hard patches of colour around Hannah's face, which we don't really want. But a solution that I have found is if we start adding this translucent Lee filter scrim paper and we roll it down in front of our gel, it actually softens the gel and it graduates softly across Hannah's face. So there's a nice transition from the gel to our main light with the Octobox. So we just rolled down our translucent paper. Now this paper we use to make our scrim. So if you've seen our previous scrim video, you would have seen this paper in action. So what's going to happen is when we fire this blue gel, it's going to be a bigger light source and it's going to softly graduate around Hannah. Now if you do use this paper, you need to turn the power of the light or the gel by 1 stop. We're going to take some more shots and you will now see the difference that this scrim is also making. Now can you see it just gradually wraps around Hannah, fills it in that shadow, but we just want to add a little kicker light in next, which we're going to add a scrim light just to lift Hannah a little bit more off the backdrop. So we've just turned this strip light on. I haven't put a grid on it because I don't mind if that light spreads across both sides of Hannah. And with this, it's just going to also contrast against the blue as well. So we're just going to take a couple of photos as it is now, and you can just see it just illuminates Hannah's hair. It's not interfering with the scrim at all. It's just lifting Hannah off. Now you don't have to use just blue, you can use different gels. So why don't we do a few different examples using different gels, and I can explain about powers of gels and why different gels will be on different durations of flash. So if you're thinking about changing gels, just remember that gels are going to be different colours and they're going to be lighter or darker tones. When you are swapping gels over, make sure that you do change the flash duration, because a blue is a lot darker than a pink. So we're going to need less power to illuminate the pink. So while changing the gels, I just noticed a little problem we were having some of the previous examples is because of the angle of the light, we're actually getting some of the scrim highlight appearing on the backdrop. So I've just twisted the light a little bit round, so now the shadow is going to go across Hannah. The gel's going to go across Hannah. So now that we've added the pink, let's do a couple of shots. We can use colours to emphasise different emotions, and you still get that really lovely wraparound. So if you are having problems with gels, I hope this video has helped. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.